Even numbers, even numbers. The first game was the even numbers. That even number games begins with a chant that starts with categoria. And as a child myself, when I was a child, I played those games with my cousins, I played those games at school, and I took the words and I changed the words and made it to math content. So the repetition and the music and movement is actually a game that has other words, but I was able to change the words into math content in the language of math, using fluency, using seriation, and using the ability to count and rhythm all at the same time. 30. 9. The threes game was just a simple movement game that was used during my pre-K background, where the kids like to walk around and they're able to count. So they're counting by threes and they're only able to say the number that are multiples of 3. So when they hear themselves counting by 3, they're able to multiply. Not only are they counting by threes, they're also multiplying, and they're not understanding that they're just counting. They're understanding that they're actually playing a game. So as they're playing a game, they're actually learning. So when you add play and learning in a learning environment, it also gives them that ability to move on to other instruction. It differs from a traditional classroom because it invites all learners without being intimidating. It gives them a way of play. It gives them a way of learning without the traditional paper and pencil, and they're able to recall. And that is the biggest part of those games, because recalling is a big important part of primary lessons when they're able to comprehend what they're doing, when they're able to comprehend what they're saying, what they comprehend, what they may be even seeing sometimes. Because when they're able to transfer it to paper and pencil, then they're able to recall, and then they're able to apply it in application on paper. You're thinking about what you learned doing the hundreds, tens, and ones game.